how are you all doing? Welcome back again to City Lifestyle. It's another beautiful day. So guys, I went out to get to buy some things for making soup. Let's make breakfast. So to get some things, this rainy season, so I couldn't reach where I was going because of rain. I have to wait for rain to stop. Then I'll continue. I'm just coming back. I'm just coming back from the market. I want to make draw soup, which is a bolo soup. Okay. Yeah. So stay tuned. The economy of this Ramadan is very hard and difficult. If I tell you how much I went to market with, not that it's that much, for a middle family, at least, I think even that one is too much for me. But the economy is so bad. Okay. I'm not taking breakfast. I'm eating. Let me fry egg. And I'll use it for my breakfast. So I'm gonna use it for my breakfast, okay? Please guys, keep supporting me. You can see what we are doing. We are really improving. Like seriously, we are improving. And I love that so much. So these are the things I got from the market. Here is my crayfish for 200 naira. So here is bitter leaf. This bitter leaf is for 100 naira. Then here is my obolo. My draw. Is it drawer? Be drawer. Here is my obolo. So this obolo is half cup. This small tomato. The cup. This one is 1,500. As you see, I'm so 1.5. Since it's very difficult this time around. Not everyone can provide 3 square meal in a day. Seriously. So here's my fish. This is the fish I'm going to be using. Here is my stockfish. Okay, yeah. And here is my meat. I think today the meat is very costly. I know. So this is masa. This is masa from rice. They made this with rice. So I bought it for my son, my little baby. Okay. So guys, stay tuned and keep on supporting me Okay, I really appreciate it. That's everyone supporting me. How many?
3.
How much? Okay, give it to me for 500.
600.
Go with 600. That 100 naira.
Eh?
Go with that 100 naira.
But is it all like fry?
I remember one.
Fry the one. I'll fry the one.
I'll leave it for Uju. Maybe tomorrow you see, maybe later you see. I want egg. It's two that you buy never. There is many tray here. One spoil, one break. So that one that breaks spoil. I carry one and leave one because the two that you buy. You eat this one back. It's only me and you that is there. So guys, okay. So keep supporting, keep liking, keep subscribing, okay? I really appreciate it, okay? So you can see the things that I bought. I will start making my soup right now, okay? So I don't know if I will put it, the process and everything, but anyhow, let me see if I can try. Yes. So let me see if I can try and put it record it. Then tomorrow I will upload it, okay? So stay tuned and keep supporting, okay? I love you all. Thanks everyone, okay? Thank you everyone.